All right, so we just bought this house and it came with this Ring doorbell here. So if you didn't know, you can actually take these over, but the first thing you're going to need to do is actually remove it. So if you don't have the screwdriver it came with, it's got these special screws under here. They're actually not super special, they're just a star bit. So all you're going to do is take out the screws here. Once the screws are out, you just lift up on it and then you can flip it around here. Now under my thumb, there's a QR code, and I'm being kind of weird about it because I wonder if you can actually steal mine if you just have the QR code. So what you'll do is you'll download the app, scan the QR code, and then follow the process on the app. What it does is it gives the person that owns it 15 days. So it must have sent them an email or something, and it gave them 15 days to respond, and there was nothing. So we waited those 15 days, and then it was released to me. I got an email saying that I could go ahead and take it over. I got on the app, scanned the QR code, went through the steps, and now I have access to this, and this is on my Ring app, and I can use it as my device now. So if you've got a Ring camera, other device that you don't have access to, but you bought the house now, you can follow those steps and then you can take over that Ring device. So if you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe and check out other videos. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.